Every debtor must attend a meeting called the Meeting of Creditors, or 341 Creditors Meeting. It's a requirement for anyone that has filed bankruptcy, and unfortunately the attendance is mandatory. If you happen to miss your first meeting, it could be rescheduled. However, if you miss your second meeting, you run the risk of your case being dismissed. If for any reason you fail to appear at your meetings, give our office a call immediately so that we can go over your options with you. Before you ever go into the 341 room, you meet with one of our paralegals to go over what we can expect. She will give you a copy of the filed documents, as well as return your pay stubs, tax returns, and any other documents you may have given us. Finally, she will review the potential questions that the trustee may ask in your case. You will always have an attorney present at your hearing, though he is unable to answer the trustee's questions for you. In the meeting of creditors, you speak for yourself. He is there, however, to assist or object if the trustee or creditor gets out of line and to note any issues that arise. If you are required to provide documents to the trustee or the trustee wants something changed, don't stress out. We work for you to resolve any issues that the trustee may have on your behalf. Seated at the table, you will see the trustee. The trustee, who is usually an attorney, conducts these hearings, not a judge. The trustee will first give a short speech to inform you of the procedures and get your photo ID and social security card. He or she will remind you that these proceedings are being recorded and that you need to speak loudly and clearly. Then, you just sit and wait for your name to be called. Let's listen for a few minutes and see just how it's done.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is your meeting of creditors. Today is September 10th, 2009. When I call your case, come up to the front table with your attorney. Please make sure you have out proof of your identification, social security proof, and driver's license. Also, we are tape recording your answers, and your answers need to be out loud, verbal, so we can get your answers on our tape recorder. The first case we'll call is the case of Sherry Maples. Please come up to the table with your attorney. Provide identification. Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. I've reviewed your identification and social security proof, and I'll return that back to you. State your full name for the record.
Sherry Lynn Maples.
Current address.
800 Market Street, Knoxville 37902.
And have you filed a bankruptcy petition prior to this case?
No.
And in the 2 years prior to your filing, have you transferred, sold, or given any property away to anyone?
No.
And did you list all of your property and all of your debts in your bankruptcy schedules that you filed?
Yes, I did.
And have you paid any creditors more than $600 in the last 3 months prior to filing your case?
Only my mortgage and car.
Okay, no other debts?
No other debts.
And you listed a house in the in your schedules. Are you interested in keeping your home?
Yes.
And how did you arrive at the value of your home in your schedules?
That's how much the other houses in my area are going for.
All right. Do you have full coverage insurance on your home?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And you've also listed a vehicle, and you want to keep and pay for that vehicle as well?
Yes.
Do you have full coverage insurance on your vehicle?
Yes, I do.
Does anyone owe you money, or do you have any claims you can file against anyone in this case?
No.
And did you read your petition and schedules before you signed them?
Yes, I did.
Were all the statements true and accurate?
Yes, they were.
Do you have any domestic support obligations, child support, or alimony?
No.
All right, and you did receive a copy of the bankruptcy information sheet, is that correct?
That's correct.
And you understand if you inherit money or property within 6 months of filing, that may be an asset you need to report to me?
Yes.
All right, any creditors present?
Yes, sir. Hi, I'm Rhonda Pitt from Pitt Automotive. And do you have insurance on that car? I think you said you did.
Yes, I do.
May I see the proof, please?
Yes.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
I think that's
Any other
all I have.
questions? Okay, Ms.
No.
Pitt. All right, any other parties present, any interest, counsel, any questions? I think we're good. All right, that's all. You're excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it. Each meeting takes only about 5 or 6 minutes and everyone is civil. Makes you wonder what you were so nervous about, right? If this case had required additional amendments, the paralegal would have met with you once more to discuss what needed to be changed and told you to make an appointment to help you accomplish that. Thanks for watching our production, and hopefully you've gained more information to help you through this process, and hopefully it's a smooth one.